actually start my dash cam this time. Alright, now we are in McKinney, Texas, checking out a place called... no, it's not called, I just forgot. The Bubble Factory. Although, I'm much more interested in the dryers than the machine itself, you'll see why. And... there's a Culver's up here. Didn't know that. Okay, I guess I can go... I'm not surprised if this ends up being really bad, because the reviews for this place are not the greatest. Uh-oh, I see some orange and white striped objects hiding. At least none of them are blocking on the thing. Jeez, the dryer's like pearly rusted. Let's get a good look at this thing.
Welcome. Purchase a car wash, make a wash selection, and enter your method of payment.
So we have a Belanger Saber with the Proto Vest, the in-bay RM dryers, and that's why. The dryers are cooler than the wash itself. We have an 8, a 9, 11, and 12. So I guess this is kind of your only wash menu type thing, because I don't see anything anywhere else. $12. I'm gonna use my card for this one too.
You have selected the Super Car Wash. Please deposit $12.
I don't think I have enough cash to match up that price, so I will swipe my card again.
Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
I think the side blasters are gonna spin. Maybe. Holy crap, those are really weak for Belanger blasters. I remember these being like super powerful the last time I went through a car wash with those. Yeah, this is a tight bay. Or at least a short bay. Wait, that's a... Sonny's Baywash sign? So does that mean this machine replaced a Sonny's Baywash a long time ago? Interesting. I love how the arms aren't straight. Okay, that smells funny. And the pre-soak just doesn't, okay, stops coming out of the right arm. I think that's supposed to be an empty pass, but whatever. Wait, why is the pre-soak light on? It should technically be triple foam at this point. Unless the tri-foam thing is broken or they don't want to refill it or whatever. Don't want to restock it. Or maybe it does alternating pre-soak and high pressure twice and then it'll do tri-foam. I've seen a few other washes do that. Okay, now we're getting something. Yeah, now we're getting the tri-foam. Although, with some water, apparently. You know, now that I think of it, this machine has like the white or translucent wash arms. I don't think the Saber ever came illuminated, although I could be very wrong on that, now that I think twice. I always thought the Condors were the only ones that could have the illuminated wash arms, but I think these could have them too. They might just not work on this one because it's like day out or something. Or they just don't work at all. If these dryers don't work, that's going to be a huge letdown though. Yeah, here's our spot free. I came to this wash solely for the dryer. Same can't be said for many other washes. The last time, you know, I went through a wash with one of these dryers, it sounded absolutely amazing. Oh, yeah. That sounded like a freaking jet engine. That was amazing. Too bad Protovest is out of business. That sounded absolutely amazing. Doesn't seem to dry the absolute best, but the wash still seemed, you know, good enough. Honestly, this was still worth it. Shutdown sounded amazing, even though it did stop short. I'm not complaining. That thing just sounds freaking awesome. Well, although it doesn't look like the absolute best car wash on the planet, that was still fun. So thank you all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. I sure did. And that'll be it for this video.